So guys, I just want to give a huge shout out to Mikey for saving my life. Basically what happened was my address appeared in one of my videos and he told me and I got scared and I eventually deleted this video. So big shout out to him, thank you a lot. But anyways, let's just get into the video. Of course, the first way to crack a carrot is to eat it. Hi guys, it's Betty again, and today we're going to be seeing if a carrot can survive a 24-foot drop. So guys, we're standing on the 24-foot ledge right now, and we're going to throw it down soon. Carl, are you ready? Yeah. Okay guys, we're going to drop it off this 24-foot ledge. In 3, 2, 1. Guys, check this out. We got one piece, and we got the other. So guys, now we can conclude that pickles are better than carrots.